William H. Bill Blizzard, September 19, 1892 to 1958, was a Union organizer, a commander of the Miners' Army during the Battle of Blair Mountain, and president of District 17 of the United Mine Workers. Blizzard is most remembered for his role in the Battle of Blair Mountain, leading the miners against the forces of Logan County Sheriff Don Chafin. For his leadership role in the battle, Blizzard was charged with treason, but was acquitted at his trial on these charges. From that time forward, he remained an important leader within the UMW and organized labor. Blair Community Center and Museum for a museum and research facility that specializes in the West Virginia mine wars. Blizzard. William C. 2005. When Miners March. Gay. West Virginia. Appalachian Community Press. ISBN 978-0-9764706-0-1.